HONOR's all about durability, and for the HONOR X9d, they're all in. With a massive jump in battery and way tougher exterior, this might be the most stress-free phone ever. Here are 6 reasons why the HONOR X9d is worth the upgrade from the HONOR X9c. First things first, the HONOR X9d is much tougher than its predecessor, the HONOR X9c, boasting a 2.5 drop resistance. It's got the industry's first SGS triple resistance certificate to prove it. HONOR even ran industrial-grade tests on the HONOR X9d. I'm talking nail gun tests and plasma cannon tests. The HONOR X9d comes with the industry's first IP69K protection, the highest IP rating you can get for a smartphone. It's completely dust-tight and protected against high-pressure and high-temperature water jets. It can survive being submerged up to 6 meters underwater and even last a month under 1 meter of water. So if you accidentally drop it into a puddle or take it with you into the shower, don't do that, but theoretically you could. It should be fine. And here's the crazy part. There's a drainage and dust removal feature on the phone that can actually eject water and dust from its ports. It vibrates the ports by playing sounds to expel all that gunk out. In fact, HONOR's pretty confident in how tough this phone is that they've even got you covered with a 365-day front and back crack protection, liquid damage protection, and a 1-year extended warranty, all included for free. For how tough it is, the HONOR X9d is actually pretty thin and lightweight. It doesn't feel like a brick in my hand. The phone features a new flat screen design, making it tougher and easier to protect with a screen protector. It's reinforced with ultra-deep tempered glass and a shock-absorbing layer that acts like a cushion for the screen, so it can handle a clumsy drop without shattering. The 6.79-inch OLED display is absolutely gorgeous. It's incredibly bright, hitting a peak of 6,000 nits compared to the HONOR X9c's 4,000 nits. Thanks to the new deuterated organic light-emitting materials, you won't have to cup your hand over the screen under direct sunlight. With a 120Hz refresh rate, everything from scrolling to gaming feels incredibly smooth. The display supports 1.07 billion colors and a wide color gamut, which makes watching movies and swiping through photos feel like a dream. To top it off, the HONOR X9d is equipped with a full suite of eye comfort display technologies to soothe your eyes. It's got 3840Hz risk-free PWM dimming, AI circadian night display, and hardware-level low blue light filtration that minimizes eye strain and makes your viewing experience more comfortable even during extended use. The phone comes in 4 stylish colors with a titanium finish: reddish brown, sunrise gold, forest green, and midnight black. The HONOR X9d has also been upgraded to a Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 chipset, boasting a 29% better GPU and 11% better CPU than its predecessor, the HONOR X9c. The phone runs on Magic OS 9.0 based on Android 15, and it's packed with AI features. From AI call translation, which will be available soon to break down language barriers in real time, to AI HONOR Notes to automatically transcribe recordings and sort your notes. The dual bass speakers on the HONOR X9d are also a huge upgrade. Thanks to the 400% ultra volume mode, your audio on the phone's built-in speakers is seriously boosted for everything, from incoming calls and voice conversations to music, videos, and games. If you enjoy taking pictures, the HONOR X9d doesn't disappoint. It has a powerful 1080 megapixel ultra-sensing camera that captures tons of light so you can take sharp, clear photos even in low-light environments. Thanks to both optical image stabilization and electronic image stabilization, your photos will be super steady and your videos will be smooth and shake-free, even if your hands are a little shaky. And for editing, the phone comes with a full suite of AI tools that make editing a breeze. You can use AI Eraser to magically remove unwanted objects from your photos, AI Cutout to easily crop a subject, and AI Facetune to perfect your selfies. Let's talk battery, because what's the point of a tank-like phone if it dies halfway throughout the day? The HONOR X9d has a massive 8300 mAh battery, which is the largest capacity in any smartphone right now. That's a huge jump from the HONOR X9c's 6600 mAh and can last you up to 3 days of uninterrupted usage. On a single charge, it supports up to 52.5 hours of music streaming, 23.8 hours of online video playback, 16.8 hours of gaming, and 12.3 hours of video calling. When you do need to charge, the 66-watt HONOR Supercharge gets you ready for extended work or play with minimal downtime. But the best part? The battery is so big it can reverse charge other devices, acting as a portable power bank for your friends in need. And if you're really running on empty, the ultra power saving mode can keep your phone running for up to an hour of continuous calls, even with just 2% battery left. HONOR's Magic OS 9.0 power saving technology maximizes the battery, so you can binge watch all day, game all night. This phone won't die on you quite so quickly. But here's the kicker. The HONOR X9d costs the same as its predecessor. You get the 12GB 256GB storage model for just 1,499 ringgit and the 12GB 512GB storage version for 1,699 ringgit. So why get the HONOR X9C when you can get its more durable and reliable sibling? Pre-orders for the HONOR X9d start on 24 September and run until 9 October. You'll get free gifts worth up to 1,146 ringgit, including the HONOR Pad X7. So the HONOR X9d, with crack assurance front and back, has a battery life that goes on forever and looks good doing it. If you're clumsy or outdoorsy, this phone might give you some peace of mind. So would you rock a phone like this? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye!